Let's start off right here in Deep River. And there's the Outdoor Education Center. Let's go take a quick look. It's pretty eerie, if you want to know. It really does have a feel to it. Some of these places that we explored do. This is definitely one of them. Erie Community School Corporation right there. It's in Lake Station, but There it is. What do you guys think? Memories? I have some videos that we did out here, so if you want to go to the page, put Deep River Outdoor Education Center, you can see we actually were in there a couple years back. But now it's over and done. I actually talked to a couple of guys doing construction, and they said it's over with. They're tearing everything down. This is before the demolition. Last look at it. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you're having good memories. And thank you for being here. It's nice having y'all. I'm still City Storm. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. If you like to be members only, behind the scenes, love to have you. A lot of behind the scenes stuff there. 5 years of filming. All of it doesn't make the internet, so, well,